gorgeous people. This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my December mystery bag of awesome. Guys, I gotta say, this bag is starting to get kind of awesome for me. The past couple bags I got weren't bad at all, so I'm really excited to see what they put in for this month. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the mystery bag of awesome, this is a mini version of a mystery bag that they do every single month. This one is only $9.99 a month, and you get 3 random products. You really don't know what you're gonna get. And whatever you get in your bag, somebody else could get something completely different. You just don't know what you're gonna get in this bag. So it is $9.99 a month. They do have larger versions of this bag. Now I have not decided to get the big ones yet because up until recently, I wasn't getting great things in the small one, but now I might actually think about getting the bigger bag, so that might be something that I do in the future. All right, guys, so here's my bag. Yay! Let's open her up and see what we got. Okay, so they always include this super fun, like, word search, seasonal kind of thing. I think it's super fun to do with my son. Quite frankly, I would do it even if I didn't have my son to do it with, but it's really fun to do these little activities. There's some on each side with my son. So that's something fun that they include in every single lower bag. What's this guy? Oh my. It's an inflatable antler reindeer toss game. Okay guys, I'm not mad at that, and I'll tell you why. Here it is. I'm not mad at this at all because this will be something fun that I can play with the kids. I have a birthday party coming up this Saturday. I'll take that to the birthday party, and you know what? It's for my family. It's not like I'm crashing somebody's birthday party and bringing my own games or whatever. But you know what? This will also be something fun that we can do at our little Christmas party. So I'm not mad at this at all. That's kind of cool. Not gonna say it's awesome, but it's not a bad thing. Oh, that fell out. I was like, something fell out of the bag. I only have 2 products. Okay, so this is Mucinex Fast Max Congestion and Headache. All right, guys, that's not bad either. I mean, that's something that I will definitely be able to use in this cold and flu season. Well, COVID, whatever, cold and flu season type situation. Hopefully I don't get dinged for saying that word. Nonetheless, yeah, this will be something that will be useful. So those are the first 2 products, and I have 1 product that fell, and you guys know how I feel about bending over and trying to get stuff, so I'm just going to pause, pick it up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I picked it up, but I didn't look at it because it looks like there's some kind of description on here. So I wanted to read it with you guys, but here it is. Don't know what it is. So let's check that out. This is an easy wrapping paper cutter. Oh, well that's kind of cool. Let's open her up, guys. All right. So I'm really not, oh, I see. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys are going to see that, but the little blade's right there. So I guess you feed your little wrapping paper tube through here, and somehow you, like, put it on the wrapping paper to cut it, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out or see it in action. I think they have, oh, it says right here, see it in action. So you can see it in action at this little website here. So I may check that out to make sure that I'm using it right. But it looks like there's a little groove here for the little blade. So it would make sense that you need to feed your paper in there and kind of run it across. But this will be a very useful thing to have. I'm going to be wrapping a lot, and I do mean a lot, of Christmas gifts very soon. All right, guys, I'm not really mad at this one. I think it was an okay little bag. Again, this one is $9.99 a month. I will have a link in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.